Alright, so we're going to go ahead and now construct a figure that has our dependent variable as water potential, and we measure that in megapascals, so don't forget your units. And then our dependent variable is the treatments, and we had our no water control, our medium water, and our high water treatments. And because our largest value is 0 here, so all of our values will be negative, I'll put the x-axis line at the top. Our most negative value for this version A was negative 1.45. So let's just do that at negative 1.5, and then we'll organize the rest of those lines to go up to negative 1.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our 3 bars first. The control mean was negative 1.3, so we'll draw up to 1.3 there, and then our mean for the medium was negative 0.37, so almost 0.4, and then our mean for high was negative 0.42, so barely positive. Okay, so those are our 3 means, but now we're going to draw in our standard deviations. So negative 1.3 plus 1 standard deviation, which for the control is 0.09, is going to be negative 1.2, and it goes all the way up to, if we subtract, negative 1.39. So those are that's our standard deviation for the no water treatment. For the medium, the standard deviation was 0.05, so we'll add that and subtract it, so that gets us to negative 0.31 all the way to negative 0.43. So there's our I-bar for that one. And then for our high treatment, our standard deviation was 0.01, so we go for a mean 0.04 to negative 0.02 to negative 0.05. So we've got a little tiny standard deviation on that one. And that completes our figure drawing, and then of course we need a figure description. Okay, something about the mean water potential across 3 watering treatments. And I always like to put plus or minus 1 standard deviation, just so we know what those I-bars represent. And then that completes this figure.